Very warm welcome class 11th students. My name is Rachit Bhatnagar. The CBSE prepares the syllabus for the academic year of class 11th for all the subject. Program for class 11th computer science syllabus, as you know very well that CBSE has its curriculum and they hold the supreme authority to change it further for the benefit of students. Here you can get the latest CBSE class 11th computer science syllabus and exam pattern for the academic year 2020-21. In-depth knowledge of the class 11th computer science syllabus to get a decent idea regarding the exam pattern and marking scheme. By going through the CBSE class 11th syllabus, you will get to understand the unit names, chapter under each unit and subtopics involved in it. Let us now check the syllabus with topics to be covered with exam pattern. First of all, very important to know you about the subject name and subject code. So subject name is computer science with Python and the subject code is 083. This is very important about the subject code 083. Now let's start. So your syllabus is divided into 4 units. First unit name is computer system and organization. Second unit name is computational thinking and programming. Third unit name is data management and fourth unit name is society, law and ethics. These are the marks distribution of each unit. First unit will be of 10 marks, second unit will be of 35 marks, third unit will be of 15 marks and fourth unit will be of 10 marks, and this is the total weightage of 70 marks. Your question paper will be of 100 marks, remaining 30 marks will be of your practical. Now come to the first unit. First unit, computer system and organization, in which these are the chapters. First chapter is basic computer organization, in which you will study about description of computer system and mobile system, CPU, memory, hard disk, input output and battery. Second chapter will be types of softwares, in which you will study about application software, system software and utility softwares. In third chapter you will study memory units, in which bit, byte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte and petabyte you will study. Next chapter will be Boolean logic, in which you will study about the gates, or, and, NAND, NOR, XOR, NOT and truth tables. Then De Morgan's law. Next chapter will be information representation, in which you will study numbers in base 2, 8, 16 and binary addition. Next chapter will be strings, in which you will study about ASCII, UTF-8, UTF-32, ISCII codes and Unicode. Next chapter, basic concept of flowchart. Next, concept of compiler and interpreter. Next, running a program, notation of an operating system, how an operating system runs a program, idea of loading operating system as a resource manager, and last one is concept of cloud computing, cloud, introduction to parallel computing. Second unit is computational thinking and programming, in which basic of computational thinking, decomposition, pattern recognition, data representation, generalization, data abstraction and algorithm. Next, familiarization with the basic of Python program, in which a simple hello world program you will study. Process of writing a program. 2 modes you will study, interactive and script mode. Running the program, printing the statement, simple data types, integer, float, string. Next, features of Python, in which Python character set, tokens and identifiers, keywords, literals, delimiters, operators. Next is comments. There are 2 types of comments, single line and multi-line. Next, simplification of expressions. Next is introduction, the notation of variables and methods to manipulate it. Next, knowledge of data types and operators, in which you will study accepting input from the console, assignment statements, expressions, operators and their precedence. Next chapter, operators and types, in which you will study binary operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operators and assignment operators. Next chapter is conditional statements, in which if else, if else, simple programs, that is absolute values, sort 3 numbers and divisibility. Next chapter, notion of iterative computation and control flow, in which you will study about the loops, for loop, while loops, flow chart, suggested programs you will do. Next is idea of debugging. Here you will study how to debug the programs and how to find out the errors and exceptions. Next chapter, you will study list, tuples and dictionary. Next, sorting algorithm, in which 2 types of algorithms of sorting you will study. First, bubble sort and second is insertion sort. Next is string, in which you will do traversing of string, comparison of string, concatenation and substrings. Next is introduction to Python modules. Yes. Third unit name is data management. You will study these 4 chapters. First chapter is relational database, in which concept of database, relations, attributes and tuples, keys like candidate key, primary key, alternate key, foreign key and degrees and coordinate of the table you will study. Second chapter, use SQL, means structured query language, in which DDL and DML commands you will study to create table, insert into, update table, delete from, alter table, modify table, drop table, keys and foreign keys, to view content of the table, select from, where, order by, along with, between, in, like these commands you will study. Next chapter, aggregate function, in which min, max, average, count, sum function you will study. And last chapter in this unit, you will study basics of NoSQL database. Next unit is society, law and ethics, cyber safety, in which also 4 chapters you will study. Cyber safety, appropriate uses of social networks, safety accessing website, safety communication data. These are 4 units you will study. After that, this is the chart of practical, in which Python programming, SQL programs, then report files you will do, that is of 10 marks with Viva, then at the last project you will do. Thank you very much.